Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Sketch to Jewelry application. You need to load a sketch, and sketch could be anything like this. It should be a jewelry sketch. This is particular application made for jewelry. So anything that look like sketch, like this, for example, this is good. It's all good input. Make sure that the lines of your sketch are well defined. Ideally, it shouldn't be much of drawing on the surfaces. For example, like here, it's not necessary. The ideal sketch is only edges of the item. So let's select it, upload, here it is. And then in instructions, you need to tell AI what kind of look the jewelry should be. For example, basically you need to tell the look. Aspect ratio, square is the best, but you can choose anything that will work for you. By default, it's 1:1. Now generate. Okay, as you can see, it's a red gemstone, diamonds, and white gold. Now this jewelry can be upscaled or can be processed to the next step, or even to create a video. To upscale, you click this button and it will upscale to 12,000 megapixel, 3x, or you can create a video. If you don't like something or you want to change, you click regenerate. It will return to the previous screen, and here you can change anything. You can have, for example, emerald gemstone in center, 3 clear crispy diamonds on side, glossy polished metal. You can place it on a different surface. For example, place it on a glossy white surface. Here you go. It's glossy surface, we have reflection now, and the metal actually looks better because we said that it should be polished. This is how you use Sketch to Jewelry application on Neuroviz.